Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, I have some exciting news for all of you Windows PC users out there. Microsoft has just released its latest Office suite, Office 2021 Professional Plus, and I'm thrilled to announce that I'll be giving it away for free. Yes, you heard it right, no strings attached. All you have to do is complete one simple task, and you'll get your hands on the fully pre-activated version of Microsoft Office 2021. So, without further ado, let's dive right in. Before we jump into the task and show you how to get your hands on Office 2021, let's talk a bit about what this fantastic suite has to offer. This release has been eagerly awaited by millions of users, and now it's available for everyone to enjoy. Alright, now let's talk about the task you need to complete to get your hands on Microsoft Office 2021 Professional Plus, 64-bit/32-bit, pre-activated for your Windows PC. Click on the link in the video description to download the Office 2021 setup file. Once the download is complete, disable your antivirus temporarily. This is essential to ensure successful activation. Install Microsoft Office 2021 on your Windows 11 or Windows 10, 64-bit PC. That's it. Your Office suite is now ready to use. Congratulations. You've completed the task, and now you have the latest Microsoft Office 2021 Professional Plus pre-activated on your Windows PC. Enjoy all the powerful features and enhancements that this suite has to offer, and upgrade your productivity to a whole new level. Thank you so much for joining me today. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more exciting tech-related content. Also, let me know in the comments what other software or tech you'd like to see in future videos. Until next time, happy computing, and have a fantastic day.